Good morning guys and welcome to day 3 in Malaysia. Today we're headed back to another rainforest and we have a really fun day planned. Our tour today is basically we're going to start by visiting an orangutan sanctuary. Then we are going to kayak down a river here in Kuching and then end I think trekking up to some place. I don't know, it's going to be a completely full day with a lot of activities and it should be really fun. So let's go. So we just got done with the orangutan sanctuary. It was a really good experience. I'm always a little wary when it comes to all these like wildlife attractions in Southeast Asia because a lot of them I feel really exploit animals. Like you have the elephants in Thailand who are treated really badly, and also I think the tigers or lions who are drugged so that people can take pictures with them. But this one was really good because it's not just like an attraction for humans, it's an actual sanctuary that takes care of the orangutans and it encourages them to be wild. So when you come here, you're not even guaranteed that you will actually see one. The animals are encouraged to live just however they want. So even though they have the feeding sessions here, you're not guaranteed that you'll see one, and I think that's really good. So one piece of advice I can give you is that whenever you're looking for all of these like wildlife kind of attractions anywhere in the world, please do your research and see that the animals are not exploited, because honestly they're not on this earth for our entertainment. This earth is as much theirs as it is ours, and they deserve to be respected and they deserve to live a free life. So do your research, especially when it comes to these animal attractions. And now we're gonna do some kayaking.
Somewhere, we think it's here, but not sure where. Being stuck is so fun.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm so home. Sometimes I know I'm so home. Sometimes I'm so home. Sometimes I know I'm so
Okay, so we're back from the kayaking trip. Oh my god, that was so much fun. It was probably the best thing that we've done so far, even though it's only been actually just 2 days here. But honestly, it was really fun, especially when it started raining. It was absolutely beautiful. Now we are back in Kuching and we are looking for a place to eat because we are starving after all of that upper body exercise.
sometimes I'm so home. Sometimes I know I'm so home. Sometimes I'm so home. Sometimes I know I'm so.
Hi guys, today is, which day is it? Is it day 3 or 4?
Day
4 na?
Day 1 was 0, day 2 was
Bako.
Bako.
Ah,
Day
okay,
3 was
take it. So day 4. Hi guys, welcome to day 4 in Malaysia. Today is our last day in Kuching and we're back in the rainforest. Today we're doing the Kuba National Park and we're just taking the hike up to a waterfall which is supposed to be really beautiful. The weather is a little bit iffy because it might rain, and if it does then it's not really safe to do the hike, so we're hoping it doesn't start raining so that we can actually complete the trek. But I think it's going to be a really fun day, so let's go. Okay, so I've become a sweaty mess, but the first part of the hike was quite a steep incline and it was pretty challenging. Now apparently it's supposed to be a lot easier because it's like flat ground and through the jungle, so hopefully I'll be okay. We are now completely surrounded by trees, like we are in a dense ass rainforest. So, I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's raining right now. And because the forest is so dense, none of us are getting wet. It's so cool. That is really cool. Wow, I look like a complete mess right now. But basically we are at Kuching airport. Yesterday after we finished our hike, we came back to the hostel, slept, had dinner and then slept again because we were so tired, so I didn't really vlog anything. But yeah, we are done with our time here in Kuching and we're off to our next destination, which you will see in the next vlog, so stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna end my vlog here, so I hope you guys enjoyed following me on my adventures here in Kuching, Malaysia. If you did, then give this video a big fat thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you've ever visited Malaysia and where you went and what you thought about it. And of course, do subscribe to my channel if you like fashion, lifestyle and travel videos like these. Oh, and also click that bell notification because that's important. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.